everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you look out your window and see nothing but a blank canvas of grass, or a messy, disorganized patch of dirt, today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving deep into the colorful, fragrant, and incredibly rewarding world of flower garden beds. Whether you have a massive backyard or a cozy little front yard corner, we've gathered 15 of the most breathtaking, clever, and easy-to-replicate flower bed ideas that will instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Get ready to take some notes, because your outdoor space is about to get a serious upgrade. So what exactly is a flower garden bed? And why should you choose to invest your time and creativity into building one? At its core, a flower garden bed is a deliberately planned, defined area within your landscape where soil is prepared specifically to cultivate a curation of flowering plants, shrubs, and textures. Unlike scattered planting, a dedicated bed acts as a living piece of artwork for your home. You should choose to implement flower garden beds because they do so much more than just look pretty. They structurally anchor your outdoor design, frame your pathways, and add depth to your property. Beyond the massive boost to your home's market value and curb appeal, choosing to build a flower bed invites vibrant wildlife like bees and butterflies into your space, turning a static yard into a thriving therapeutic sanctuary that brings joy every time you step outside. The backbone of the garden is the flower bed. Whether full of annuals or perennials, all in shades of blue and white or a glorious rainbow of colors, flowers delight the senses and add beauty to any yard, big or small. We've gathered a lot of different flower bed ideas to inspire you in creating or sprucing up your own garden, along with a few tips for easy design, planting, and maintenance. One, plant 3 seasons of perennials. Plant perennials that bloom across different seasons together to ensure your bed is always full of blooms. This approach also allows lots of color variation throughout the season. This autumnal view of a New England botanical garden has blue caryopteris, pink anemones, and purple verbena. 2. Flank a walkway. If your garden has lots of lawn, use your flower beds as a way to add drama in high-traffic areas like walkways or paths. This lush garden bed alongside the walk provides a thrilling sight for visitors and residents, as well as delicious fragrance from roses. 3. Go all green. Using all green plants in varying shapes and textures offers a lush look that's more subtle. This stunning bed features an eclectic display of plants all with different shades of green foliage, with distinctly different shapes and textures. 4. Plant for pollinators. This cottage-style flower bed has large drifts of color. These blue-violet spires of flowering catmint, Nepeta Blue Hills giant, attract all kinds of beneficial pollinators including hummingbirds. The color and spiky texture pairs well with the fluffy lime green euphorbia growing behind it. 5. Arrange by size. Placing your shortest plants in the front and taller ones in the back will draw the eye through your flower bed naturally. This Swedish garden displays a stunning example of gradually increasing heights of plants, with a low boxwood hedge in front, which doubles as edging, and perennials and shrubs of varying heights with a tall blooming rhododendron in back. The color scheme also draws the eye from back to front with the rosy and pink-hued flowers and yellow-green foliage repeating throughout. 6. Use opposing colors. Opposing color palettes like purple and yellow, orange and blue, and red and green can be used to bring real drama to the flower garden. These bright yellow Nephophia and deep purple delphiniums immediately attract attention. 7. Incorporate silvery accents. Using silver-toned foliage adds more interest to your beds than just using green. This simple bed of shrubs, grasses and perennials is made distinct with its silvery foliage that accents the yellow-green of the grasses and leaves. 8. Embrace close placement. Opting for a cottage-style bed, which places plants close together, will create a look of abundance and fullness. When planting in a small area, placement is important to create a variety of heights and textures. Looking at size and spread details as well as bloom time helps planning, as does observing the growth habits of perennials in your garden. This garden has a wonderful sense of design where all these layers of colorful blooming perennials, including a rose bush and spirea shrub, are planted nearby and work well together. 9. Use the same color in different shades. Planting blooms of the same color, but in different shades adds visual interest, yet keeps things cohesive. The whisper of lavender in these camelot foxglove flowers and the light purples in the alliums and delphiniums create a very pleasing array of purple shades perfect for transitioning from late spring to summer. 10. Use pale plants to lighten shade beds. Brighten up shady areas by planting flowers with light-colored foliage or petals. White, silver, and pastel colors can help define the area and draw the eye to shady spots. The creamy white hydrangea blooms here bounce off the white caladiums, the silvery lamb's ear reflects light, while the pink echinacea adds a spot of color. Other silver-leafed plants include lamium, artemisia, brunnera, and a number of different ferns. 11. Draw the eye up. Mixing both vertical planting structures like trellises and tall flowers provides wonderful height to make good use of space. The climbing pink roses create a tall wall of fragrant blooms, while the tall purple alliums stand several feet high in their beds. 12. Try fire tones. Bright colors are noticeable from a distance, so they are a great option if you want maximum impact. These vivid spring blooms in shades of burgundy, red, vermilion, and hot pink create a warm, rich tapestry that would light up any garden. 13. Bring in soft textures. Airy textured plants will soften bright colors in a flower bed to create a dreamy, romantic look. These plants are also relatively drought tolerant, including yarrow, echinacea, sedum plants, and grasses. 14. Go all bulbs. Planting bulbs in the fall yields a satisfying show in spring. Some bulbs increase in size/spread each year like daffodils and grape hyacinths, so you'll get more over time. Some tulips are also perennial. These curving beds planted with white Tilia daffodils, pink tulips, and blue grape hyacinths are a cheery sight every spring. 15. Try hosta beds in the shade. Adorn large shady areas with flower beds full of hostas and other shade-loving perennials for a lush bed that will thrive. This stunning garden features large clumps of variegated hostas, feathery ferns, grasses, and astilbes. Easily divided and moved, hostas are very low maintenance, vigorous perennials, and they flower in late summer in shades of purple, white, and pink. Creating the perfect flower garden bed doesn't happen overnight, but as we've seen today, a little bit of planning, the right layout, and a dash of color can completely redefine your entire home's aesthetic. From structured raised borders to whimsical flowing cottage garden layouts, the possibilities truly are endless when you design with passion. Remember, gardening is a beautiful journey of trial and error, so don't be afraid to mix-match heights, experiment with contrasting perennials, and let your unique personality shine through your soil. If you love these flower garden bed designs and feel inspired to grab your shovel this weekend, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for your regular dose of outdoor inspiration, and click that notification bell so you never miss a transformation. Leave a comment down below telling me which of these 10 ideas was your absolute favorite, or what flowers you plan on planting next. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.